it is time to watch Bright Side, my dudes. We're doing a 10 what? I forgot. Oh yeah, 10 fun kiddie riddles that would stump most adults. So yeah, nice music.
Hey, what do you say we test your logical thinking by solving these 10 kids' riddles?
Okay. In fact, I'm a parent, so I can do this.
Exceptional logical thinking is rare in today's world. Do you think you have it?
Yes.
Well, let's find out with a couple of brain teasers. But don't sigh with relief just yet, because these riddles aren't as easy as you might think.
The 11 or 10,
Before we
right?
start,
10.
remember to subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications. Now you won't miss any of our new videos.
So the 10 riddles, so I'll be counting how much I got correct.
Okay, here we go.
Riddle number 1.
Number 1. Look at this toy pyramid carefully. In what order will you see the colors from the top view? You have 15 seconds to think about it.
Okay. Red, yellow, green, blue, purple. Number 4. Number 4, number 4, number 4. Number 4, 4, 4, 4, 4. Number 4.
Have you prepared your answer yet?
Yes.
It's not that hard. Look at the pyramid carefully again. From the top view, you'll see the colors in this order: dark blue, light blue, green, yellow, and red.
Number 4.
Easy.
1 correct. 1 out of 10 so far.
Riddle number 2. A man wrote 3 words on a glass board, but it suddenly fell and shattered into numerous pieces. Here are some of the pieces with letters on them. Each of these 3 groups of letters forms a word. Can you find out what the words are and find the odd one out? Think quickly. You have only 15 seconds.
Okay, let me think. Number 1. I just can't think of a word that can be made by it. But I think it's number 1. And I'm sorry the screen is like this.
Let's look at it together.
There's an accident.
The first set of letters forms the word bacon.
I knew
The
it.
second set makes the word cupcake. Ooh, bacon cupcakes. And the third one says love. If you chose love as the odd one out, you're wrong.
Yes.
It's actually bacon, because cupcake and love both end with an E.
Well, I just guessed because I couldn't see a word that can be made by those letters for cupcake and love.
Don't take your eye out. Ew.
Okay, let's continue. Riddle number 3. 2 out of 10 so far.
Let's talk about family now. Imagine a family with 2 mothers, 2 daughters, 1 grandmother, and 1 granddaughter. The question is simple. How many people are in this family? Count them all in 15 seconds.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That's 10. 10 or 8. 10 or 8. 10 or 8.
The key to cracking this riddle is remembering that one person isn't always only one thing. For example, someone's daughter is also someone else's granddaughter. In this particular family, there are actually 3 members: a grandmother, her daughter, and her granddaughter. Think about it. The grandmother is the mother to her daughter, while her daughter is the mother to her granddaughter. We guess family ties can be really confusing.
This confused me so much. But
Riddle
let's go.
number 4.
2 out of 10 still.
Carefully. Now look at these 3 shapes that it becomes if you turn it to one side or the other. One of these 3 is, again, an odd one out. Can you spot it? Time is ticking.
Hurry up, I can't see properly. And I know the answer. Just by first look, it's C. You will see later. I know it's C because, well, C looks like the obvious choice. It's C. C.
If you chose shape C as the odd one out, congratulations! You've passed this.
Now show the reason.
Look at it once again. The red square here at the end is missing.
I knew
While
that's the
shapes
reason.
A and B are perfectly fine. Attention is the key.
One wrong so far.
Riddle number 5.
Man, bright side is a little bit hard.
2, 5, 8, 14, and
2,
can you figure out what the next number should be and
2,
why?
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8,
Time to
9,
use
10,
your
11, 12,
logical
13,
thinking
14.
again.
15, 16, 17. I'm not sure why, but my answer is 20. 20?
The correct answer here is 23. Did you
Okay.
guess correctly?
No.
The pattern is very simple. You need to add the first number to the next number and add 1 after that. For example, 2 plus 5 is 7, and 7 plus 1 is 8.
Oh.
Then 5 plus 8 is 13, and 13 plus 1 is 14.
Okay.
8 plus 14 is 22, and 22 plus 1 is 23.
Oh, it's such easy. So I got 2 wrong.
Riddle number 6.
Okay, riddle number 6.
These 4 letter combinations. Each of them forms the last name of a famous person. Your task is simple. Find out what these last names are and identify the odd one out. Your 15 seconds start now.
The top one spells Da Vinci, but I don't know about these others. Like Da Vinci as in Leonardo da Vinci. But the others, I'm not sure, but I think the one is G is the odd one out.
Well, let's see.
The third.
Crack this riddle.
The third
The first
one.
name is Da Vinci. The second one is Vivaldi. The third one is Van Gogh. And the final one is Rembrandt. If you've answered this part right, you've probably picked Vivaldi as the odd one out.
Come on.
He's the only composer in this list of painters. Well done.
Oh, okay.
Number 7.
Riddle number 7. Okay, 3 wrong out of 3 wrong, 3 correct.
On this shelf, a particular book is 4th from the left and the 6th from the right. Knowing this, can you figure out how many books there are on this shelf? Tick tock.
Okay, hurry up. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 5 plus 3 is 8. There are 9 books. 9 books. I think I'm overthinking this, but there are 9.
If your answer is 9, you're right.
Yes!
Give yourself a pat on the back.
4 correct.
You're honest enough. If the book is the 4th from the left, that means there are 3 books before it. And if it's the 6th from the right, that means there are 5 books after it. 5 plus 3 is 8.
8 plus 1
Itself
is
gives us
9. Yes, I got it correct. 4 correct,
Riddle
3
number
wrong. Okay, so read the number 8.
O, T, T, F, F, S, S. There should be 3 more letters in this sequence. But what are they? Use these 15 seconds to crack this riddle.
I give up. This read I've already gotten wrong. 4 wrong, 4 correct. I'm just guessing OBB. OBB. I just think it's OBB for some reason. OBB.
The correct answer is much simpler and easier than you probably thought. These numbers represent the first letters of the numbers 1 to 10. Here we finished on a 7. So the next 3 letters are E for 8, N for 9, and T for 10.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh,
Simply genius.
got it wrong. Okay,
Number 9.
riddle number 9. Let's do
A
this.
bit more math into the mix, shall we?
Yes.
Let's look at these 2 equations. Given this information, Do you have any idea which number should be in the place of this question mark and why? Take your time.
Hurry up with the time. My answer is 4. Because 1 plus is equal to 1. So the answer is 4. Because the 4 pluses here. 1 plus there. 2 pluses there. 3 pluses there. 4 pluses there. 4.
The numbers in these equations symbolize the number of times the straight lines cross the pictures. If you look carefully at the first one, you'll see 9 crossing points, while the last picture shows only 4. And here's your answer.
5 correct, 4 wrong.
Riddle number 10.
The last riddle that I'm done with this video.
Here's another number progression for you. Can you find the mistake here?
This one, it was on the thumbnail of the video.
15 seconds begin.
It's either there are 2 9s or 2 6s. There are 2 9s or 2 6s. That's one of them. Those are my 2 answers.
To be fair, we couldn't find an answer to this riddle. Do you have any variants? Share them in the comments so we can find the right solutions together.
Okay, so technically I got it correct.
How many of these riddles did you get right?
I got 6 out of 10. That's pretty embarrassing for a grown man like me to not solve these kids' riddles. Let's see.
Tell us all about it in the comments below with your answer to the last riddle. And don't forget to give us a like and click subscribe to stay on the bright side of life.
Goodbye, people. Please remember to subscribe to Brightside and this same channel. Goodbye.